Okay, so I added another color to this because I wasn't about to paint that blue with a paintbrush. So I went with that blue. It's not your normal blue for a soldier, but whatever, no one cares. And I'm about to put those into one of these. So it'll be on the bottom. So since it's gonna be outside, it won't fall over. It's very windy today. Great day to paint. Okay, and so actually, since these are the little ones, because I could not find the bigger containers, yeah, I would mark the bottom of these on which way you want them, because like I have it here, but I'm gonna mark it on the bottom because I want the black ones on the bottom to go this way. So yes, mark on the bottom, and that's what I'm about to do. So I decided to put in each of the bottom ones. You can probably put both of them in one, but I was like, I'll just whatever. So yeah, now I'm gonna paint them. Those are the black ones. Okay, I situated them like they're going to be painted. Okay, so these two are black. They already have the rocks in them, and of course I'm not going to paint that. So that's the bottom. No, here I go. This one's actually the bottom because it says down. So that's going to be down, and then this one, black, blue, bottom to bottom. See? Okay. So I'm gonna paint them the way they go on there. So like this bottom piece won't get painted red to black top. So it goes red to black top. Of course, it's not gonna stand up, but you get the picture. Red top, and so on. You get it? But just situate them the way they go. And also remember, when you do glue them, these little handles all need to match up. You don't want that the front. It needs to be the back. See? Okay, get it. So they are now all painted and situated and written on the bottom. Now time to put them together. Forgot I had to paint the pool noodles because it wasn't as red as the shirt's gonna be, and I forget that I had to paint the hands tan. And I picked a day that it's gonna rain. Oh my gosh, leave it up to me. Well, okay, so that's that. Everything else is ready, and now I'm waiting for this to dry. Hopefully it dries before it starts raining. Okay, so right here, there's a little sheer line, and when you glue them on top of each other, you can use that line to line them up, because on the back, as you can see, there are handles. So of course you want that on the back, but you will be able to line up because there's a slight line on the front side. All glued together. So we're gonna say a little bit. I'm just gonna stop it here. So I'm gonna get used to that. Okay, so before I could put the arms on, I had to paint the belt. I forgot. So this is what I'm getting ready to do right now. So right here, I'm kind of measuring where the arms should be. It's really easy because there is that faint line in the middle. I'm gonna cut these out. I don't know if you can see. Boom. Oh, boom for the buttons. And then mustache. But I need for it to get hot. Okay, so this is where I messed up. Yeah, buy an extra container because it's gonna have to go on top of the head so you can wrap the foam sheet around it for more stability. This did work. It's on there, it stayed on there, it's just fine. But for more stability, get an extra container because you will see how long it takes me to make this thing stay on. So, extra container on top of the head. It doesn't have to be painted, it can be clear. Let me cut this out. I'm gonna go straight with this for the sideburns because this is not really working.